I don't want him to get scared though.
Not gonna get scared. When you feed them, they go in like a fucking trance.
Bitch, come get more pizza. Because every time I come up to the fence, he like runs away. Watch me drop my fucking phone.
I'm sorry, Matt. If you got the phone, I'd laugh my ass off.
I know you would. I know you would.
Would you go in after it?
You always laugh when I get fucked up.
Dude, would you go in after it?
Hell yeah, I paid $400 for this phone.
Is it worth an arm?
Fuck yeah, man. I'll fucking go in there.
Talk about paying an arm and a leg.
Oh, here he comes.
Coming back?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. It'd be cool if there was another one.
I know.
Look at him, dude.
I want them to mate.
With his leg back.
Yeah. He's like a fucking snake, almost.
Getting used to humans is not good. You know, I always said when I see him that I would never feed him just for the fact that I didn't want him to get used to humans.
Oh, yeah. This will be a pretty badass video. Now everyone has to believe me.